we'll make green color with blue and yellow color. For that, all you require yellow color. Wait, show me the colors. Yellow color, blue color. Show me the funnel, beakers, conical flask, and show me the beakers, 2 beakers. Okay. Mixing rod. Where is the mixing rod? Mixing rod. Okay, fine. Now start the experiment. First, you are adding yellow color in 1 beaker. Beaker is having water. You are adding yellow food color. Enough. Mix it. Okay. Now take another beaker. Which color is that you are adding?
Blue.
Okay. Just add 1 drop. Press karo, gentle press. Enough, Nana, enough. Close the lid, enough. Close the lid. Close the lid first. Which color is that?
Blue.
Okay, now take the conical flask. Yes, conical flask. Yeah, funnel. Now you are pouring both the colors, blue and yellow. Very good. Wow, which color is that?
Green.
Remove the funnel and show me. So by adding?
The green and?
No, by adding